Today I just want to tell you about the unsinkable vessel Titanic, which is the world's biggest vessel. On 15th April 1912, it sank. How it started on 10th April, the maiden voyage from Southampton, England towards New York. It started in maiden voyage and there were 2,200 passengers on board. They were enjoying. She was very big. It was double hull and it contained 60 watertight compartments. There were so many ministers, presidents, and newly wedded bridegroom, all were enjoying on the ship. Suddenly, at the dawn of the 14th April, it started on 10th April towards New York on 14th April in the morning. Suddenly, something happened. It was a miracle. So at dawn, there was a jerking of the ship and 7 messages came to the pilot of the ship that be careful, there is an iceberg, the very big icebergs. As soon as the pilot heard, he sent SOS to the nearby ship and even to New York, but no response. So slowly, the ship started to jerk and the passengers started to become aware they felt something is going to. But what happened? Everybody was thinking that there were bridegroom, and then husband, wives, children, all said, I will stay safe, you be safe. But it was so cold. Nobody can be on the deck. Suddenly, a message came, a great splash came, and then the pilot tried to move or change the direction of the vessel, Titanic, but he was not successful. The water came in the ship, and suddenly all the children, all the people started praying God. The priest was saying praise. And then bandmaster started, just for mind diverting, he started bend. And passengers were starting dancing and all. But after that also, suddenly there was a great jerking, and then she is gone. On 15th April, she is gone. There were total surrounding the ship in the ocean. There was total wreckage. So Titanic is no more, and no passengers survives. It is a real story, but great tragedy. There were another thing, 2,200 passengers. Lifeboats were only near about 1,000. So there also it was the defect. So she's gone. Nowhere.